I'm in the river. This is the river we have. You can see it's turning red because there's a bit of a raining season up there, the Kisii region. This river is coming a long way uh, from which forest is that? Mau forest. Mau forest, Kisii is passing through Kisii. You can see it's red, eh? But it's very clean, pure water, just flowing. This amount of water is more than 1 million cubic liters going down the sea. But you can see it's a small river, small stream, but there's a depth that's for the river bank. The river bank for this is about 4 meters down. Huh? You can see the river bank. That's my dog over there. He accompanied me from the home to the river. As you can see, this river is a very pure water. But now the rain is not very much this season. Even the last time people did not live very well because there's a low season of rain. But we have this river more than 1 million cubic liters. I don't know if can you estimate that the capacity, the amount of water we spoil going to the sea every single second. Every single second. This one is, you can see that one is going to the sea. Every single second, it's going to the sea. The Lake Victoria is about 10 kilometers away from here. Then the people of Egypt use this pure water coming from Africa, from this side of Kenya, Tanzania. They use it nicely to do irrigation. There's not enough rain. I am very sure Egypt doesn't have enough raining season more than Kenya has. They don't have enough forests that can produce much water like you see here. This is one of the smallest river in Kenya. One of the smallest river which will not go dry. Even if there's no rain entire year, this river will not go dry. As you can see, we don't have even sukuma wiki out there to feed the people. This water is going down the sea every day. Now tell me, who who is fooling who? Is we people of Kenya we don't think, or the machinery to use? Because if we tap this water with a pipe, with this force of pressure, with the gravity, I think it will clamp Mount Kenya. If I'm not wrong, this if I tap like there, if I tap a pipe without pumping, I'm very sure this the gravity of this water will go a long way. Can even go to the more than 100 kilometers from where it is. So maybe if I think, or if I can do my calculation very well, huh, you will tell me we will not lack pure water, we will not lack food, and we will not depend on the rain. This rain comes and falls, but the water for irrigation will have it 24/7 a day, 24/7 a week, 30 days a month, 265 days. This is every year we have water, we have food stuff, even we will feed Kenya. with this small, because we can see our ground, our land is very, very, very fertile. Very fertile. Let me see, tell you. Let's see of this land. Very fertile land. Very nice land. And our people, you can see the over there, that is the sugar cane. It grows alone. Very nice. So, in my thinking, the leader we choose does not want to help people to grow or to establish themselves. He did not tell me, let me climb, I'm coming. Oh, where's my dog? He has escaped. I've just climbed from the river bank. Yes, you can see it. The very fertile area. Very nice. Nice. Where is this dog? You can see the place is nice. Very fertile soil, pure water. Very nice thing. Nice, nicely. Nice. You can see it. Nice. So now you can see these ones are drying up because there's no rain. And we have this water which is flowing, flowing. I'm telling you, if we tap this water at that corner, this entire area will have water. It will have a very nice, enough water, plenty of it. This area will be evergreen, evergreen. Look at it. Look at it.